I'm going to show you 3 different exercises, very simple to do with dumbbells. Stick to easy rep ranges, 10 to 15 reps times 3 sets, 3 times a week. That's really all you need. So this is going to be 3 exercises, upper body. I'm going to do, let's go a little lighter so I could kind of get the full range. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to start with lateral raises. Very simple. Make sure you stand up straight, chest tall, shoulders back. Now you can do this a couple different ways. You can do it when you supinate your hands, which means you put your palms forward, then raise up like this. Squeeze, all right, really good shoulder exercise. Okay. Now there's a couple tweaks that we can make to this, which it'll make more sense when I show the other exercises. So that's the first one. You could also do palms facing inwards. All right, this is what you see mostly, but you want to make sure that you don't end up leaning back too much. Okay, this is why it's important not to go too heavy at first. Everything is tight. I'm only moving through my shoulder joint. Now this could kind of apply to any exercise that you do, not just these. You want to focus on what's moving and what's not moving. So with the lateral raise, what's moving is my arms. So it's going to be my shoulder joint. Everything else is going to be squeezed tight. Okay? By not moving everything else, it just makes the exercise that much more effective. Okay? Because the right parts are moving. Next exercise is going to be a bent over row. Now this is where you could get into the other variation of the lateral raise. So you start off hip width apart. First things first, you want to make sure you get this hip hinge down. I made many videos about this before, but basically, big problem I see, especially with training in-person clients, is that when people do like a bent over movement, they end up rounding their lower back like this. And then when they end up doing the row, they put themselves at risk, okay? So you want to make sure that it's a prerequisite that you get your back straight first. Make sure your butt is pushed back towards the wall behind you. My shoulders are back and my chest is tall. Boom, here. All right, you see the difference between my back being straight here and being rounded? So you want to make sure all you do is pull your shoulders back and push your chest out. All right, a good practice for this is to have a weight behind you and just kind of push your butt into the weight. Okay, that'll force your back to be a little more straight as you go into that position. All right, but once you get that down, your back is straight, it's activated, and then you pull in. Keep your elbows tight to your body. If you wanted to do another variant of the lateral raise, you could kind of do a reverse fly, which is here. All right, really hits the back a lot better, rounds it out. So it's not just shoulders at that point, works your back as well. And then the third exercise, see if I remember. Okay, it's the tricep. Okay. So you're gonna switch to 1, put it over your head, nice and tall. Now this will be from the stretched position as opposed to other tricep exercises. All right, make sure you're not looking down too far. You don't want to wrench your neck. All right, you could have it like that, or actually like it better like this. There we go. That way the weight is more even. And then you kind of hinge on your elbows and then press up. Okay. So put your arms into that stretched position and you hit more of the muscle this way. All right. So notice moving and not moving parts. My elbows are kind of fixed in one position, and it's like I'm hammering the ceiling. Boom. Or I'm hammering like a wall in front of me. Okay? Squeeze. Squeeze. And it's better to do it standing, in my opinion, rather than seated. Of course, when you're seated, you could do more weight, but if you're standing, it challenges your core more, it challenges more secondary muscle groups as well. All right? So if this helped you, make sure you like the video. Helps show it to more people who might like it. You could also check out these 3 exercises I did last time and subscribe for more workout tutorials. See you in the next one.